Hi guys, welcome to VidaPurpose. Welcome back. It's been a month since the last time I posted a video. I've been busy moving countries. I'm currently in Denmark, and today I'm going to talk a little bit of why I moved from the States to Denmark. And I'm also going to show you this really refreshing tea recipe that I've made this morning just to keep me refreshed and hydrated throughout the day. So why did I move to Denmark? Why did I leave the United States? So my priorities actually have changed, and there are things that after living in the States for a decade that I've been looking for, they've never really happened. Like, I've always missed the lifestyle of Europeans, which is more working to live, and the appreciation of relationships and family that it was hard for me to find living in the United States. So that I think that would be one of the biggest things of why I always missed Europe so much. But at the same time, the United States gave me, for my career, for my dance career, everything that I wanted. So I could not complain. I wouldn't change it for anything. But at the same time, my priorities right now are freelance dancing and starting this wellness coaching consulting that I think Denmark is just gonna give it all, because they do have this life work balance really sorted out. Yeah, I'm excited to be here. A lot of life changes, but I cannot complain. As you see, I'm sitting in my garden and just having some time to think and figuring out what my next step is going to be. Please leave comments of what do you think about what I mentioned about the work-life balance that the United States has in comparison to a lot of countries in Europe. And let me know what you think about what I said. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay watching the video to watch the recipe in my new kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. The ingredients for a refreshing summer tea are orange, lemon, ginger root, and turmeric root. We're going to start with an inch of ginger root. As you know, I just moved here, so I don't have a peeler yet. Use it if you have one. Thinly slice the ginger and add to a medium saucepan. Repeat the same process with the turmeric root. After a long travel, integrating turmeric in my drink helps me get rid of the inflammation accumulated from the journey. It also adds a beautiful color into the drink. Take the orange and slice it with the peel to give it a more potent flavor. Repeat the same thing with the lemon. Once the 4 ingredients are in the saucepan, add 2 liters of water in it on high heat. Mix it all up and bring to a boil. Once it boils, let simmer for at least 30 minutes. After that time, try it. It should be very potent in flavors. I'll drink it out of a champagne glass, why not? If you don't mind the pulp, just pour it in and let it cool. If you do mind it, pass it through a colander for a more smooth experience. Let cool for at least an hour. So I'm gonna try it out. That's really nice. It's a little bit spicy from the ginger, really refreshing with the mint, refreshing with the lemon and orange. Yeah, it turned out really good. Also the color is beautiful. It's very vibrant. Thanks for watching the video, you guys. I'll be posting more regularly now that I have some more time. As I said, this past month has been crazy trying to figure out this move, and now that I'm here, I'm gonna make time to post videos for all of you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, just keep doing it every day, and I'm gonna try and give you guys some good, healthy recipes to cook for yourself, for your partners, for your family that you're just gonna love and enjoy, and give you some more tips in nutrition now that I'm officially a certified nutritional coach. So cheers to that.